Hey team, Carl here with Redbeard Recipes. This video is a little bit of improv. It was part of another video, but I got such a good reaction from the picture that I put up. I thought I'd split it and make it its own. The dish that we're making is a side dish, grilled carrots.
A dip face. Have a carrot.
Harissa yogurt, some fresh mint, and some Dukkah. If you're liking the videos, give me a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram. That all being said, intro man, play the intro. For this carrot side dish that I'm going to make, I'm going to be using Dutch carrots. We will trim the tops off, obviously, and dust over some Morrocan Spice, store-bought. You can get it anywhere. Comes in lots of different varieties. The best way I'd say is probably use a little bit of oil first, dust it, and then you can pop them on the grill, or you can roast them either. It'll be absolutely delicious. The yogurt dip that we're going to use for the carrots. I've got a cup of yogurt, the juice of 1 lemon, about a tablespoon of Harissa Paste, and salt and pepper. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you're cooking at home. I'd love to see it.
Show me what you got. I want to see what you got.
And I'll see you in the next one.